Okay, I'm Sarah,
I'm Wesley.
and our farm is the Srubar Cottage. We're here.
Yeah, we're
No.
here. And
No.
now we went from a small garden to a lot bigger scale. And we're just gonna move into the country and live off the land.
I was not raised with much knowledge of gardening. I didn't know anything about a farmer's market, didn't know how all the foods were grown. In the first couple of months of us being married, we went to go over to his parents' house, and his dad had this garden, and I was just floored. I remember thinking, oh, this is amazing. He had tomatoes and cucumbers, and I was just like, Floyd, can I have some of this? I was so excited. Shortly after that, he started gardening. And he would can things, and I just was like, okay, you do that. And I was really happy that he was doing it, but I wasn't, until we started having children. It was like, when you're feeding these little people and you're like, I want to feed them the best. Well, of course, it's going to be something fresh out of the ground, homegrown, and he's doing it. And I'm like, well, yeah, keep doing that. Keep growing all the things because it's feeding our kids.
The way we irrigate the system, we bury it in the ground under the plants so it gets to the bottom of the roots. And I think it's about a half a gallon an hour, something like that or so. It's around there, but so yeah, they all get evenly watered.
You know what you're feeding your people. I know what I'm feeding you. I know how we've made this. I know all the ingredients. I can say all the ingredients. We started growing so much, the garden kept expanding. It just kept growing, and it kept growing. Along the way, I met a really great friend that did markets, and she's like, Sarah, why are you not going to the farmer's market? I was like, I don't really think I have enough for the farmer's market. She's like, I think you do. She's like, take it out, show your community what you're growing. And so we did, and that's where we are. We definitely have days when they're like, Mom, I just want to stay home and do nothing. I always tell them, I know y'all are enduring for us. I really know y'all are, and I appreciate it. But as a family, this is what we're doing. This is our journey. This is where we're going. We grow as organic as we can. And we tell people that. We realized the need for fresh, just good food. For many, many, many families, there's that comfort, I think, in it going, yes, it's good food, we're eating good food, we're feeding our families good food, and I want to be able to give that to them.